So exciting. So exciting.
We don't even know what it is.
We don't know what it is. We think it might be a watch gang.
That would be a good one. I'm used to
High standard of
wearing a
excellence.
Rolex. Oh, it might be a watch.
What is it?
Selhor.
Selhor.
Selhor?
I don't know.
Like a watch vibe. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, I really like it so far.
Ooh. It's like a book.
Oh, yeah. I've got very high hopes. That it's a watch.
Sky high. It better be a watch. Is that what we're still talking about?
Yeah. Oh, it is.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's excellent.
Let's see. Hold it up to the camera, dude. Ooh. That's pretty nice.
Oh shit! Yeah, it's got a working cosmograph. Or is that
Chronograph?
Is it no? It's a chronograph, chronometer.
As you can tell, he's a total watch guy.
Stainless steel, Selhor. It's a Japan movement, so it's quartz, I guess. Or is it?
I think it's just.
Yeah, I think it's a quartz. Well, it usually would say. I mean, Japan makes automatic watches.
International warranty.
Ooh.
The Selhor watch.
Working tachymeter.
Nice. Let's see it. You're not even on the screen. Ooh. I love that clicking noise. You know that. Okay.
Ooh, that reset it. Okay. That's really cool.
The Selhor watch followed high quality manufacturing standards and strict water resistance tests to ensure perfect condition. It is covered by a limited international warranty against any manufacturing defects for 2 years from purchase date. The warranty does not cover damage to the battery, case, crystal, strap, buckle, bracelet, crown, and or improper handling, accidents, or natural wear and tear. Any unauthorized repairs handled by third parties will render the warranty null and void. Oh, that's way too close, Chris. I like the box for sure. So, very fun. First
Yeah, I
first
like it.
watch for the watch gang.
It's worth it. God. Do you have a knife?
Nope.
All right, well, I guess you could just watch me struggle for a little while.
I suppose.
I really like the strap.
I like the little cutouts there. It's nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Let's take this off. Do we want to sell it?
No.
All right.
Do you want to sell it? To me, this whole thing was making you more classy. See it? That is pretty nice.